Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, orange color, brown color, blue color, black color, light pink color, red color, dark green color, purple color, sky blue color, dark pink color, and light green color. It's now you draw A and use yellow color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use red color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use dark green color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use blue color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.